just got the Dell computer back. Let's see how well they fixed it. We get well at Dell. Pretty cool because went to Dell Cares last night on Twitter, and they responded and told me, hey, it should be here by 8 o'clock tonight. It's actually about 11:15. Now you're seeing the actual result of what Dell did for my daughter's laptop. Basically, the hinges broke on the display. Let's see how well they fixed the hinges. It's kind of like a known problem with Dell laptops. A lot of times these the Inspiron brand at least. And we know it's the same laptop. So what happened was when we opened the display, this would completely separate. Let's see how well Dell did. Ready? Ta-da! Wow! Like new! Wow, I'm impressed. I am impressed. I think what they did, because I could tell, because there's a piece of plastic right here, if you could see it, they must have put a brand new display on the top, which is what I would exactly expect, because these are hard to fix. But my daughter will be very, very happy. Thank you, Dell. We're happy.